Dear viewers, in this video now we'll deal finally with the sixth method of determining the equivalent weight of a compound or a metal, you can say, that is double decomposition method. It is based on the fact that equivalent weights of a compound is always equal to sum of the equivalent weights of its constituent atoms. So in this case, we will first take a equation. As you all know, double decomposition reaction is a reaction in which there is mutual exchange of the radicals between two compounds. A cation of one radical combines with anion of another radical, and anion of another compound combines with the cation of the former compound and form two different products. In this case, if we know the mass of at least one of the reactants and one of the products, and knowing the equivalent weights of the other species, we can calculate the equivalent weight of a given species. So mass of AB upon AD is equivalent to equivalent weight of AB upon AD is equal to equivalent weight of A plus that of B upon equivalent weight of A plus that of D. Now let's understand this by taking an example. Here you can see here one problem has been given in which 0.989 gram of NaCl were dissolved in water and solution of silver nitrate was added to it. The precipitate of AgCl formed weighs 2.42 gram, and we have to calculate the equivalent weight of sodium if those of silver and chlorine are given. So now firstly let me write the equation. NaCl is treated with an aqueous solution of silver nitrate, that is AgNO3, and is a simple double displacement reaction. So Na will combine with anion of another radical, another compound, NaNO3, plus cation of another compound react with anion of former compound, that is AgCl. So you'll get the precipitate of AgCl. And now using the relation that we have studied above, we'll write mass of NaCl, because mass of NaCl has been given, and mass of AgCl is given. So we'll take the ratio of mass of at least one of the reactants and one of the products has been given. So we'll consider both of them. That will be equal to equivalent weight of NaCl upon equivalent weight of AgCl, which will be equal to equivalent weight of Na plus Cl and that of Ag plus Cl. Now the equivalent weight of NaCl was, mass of NaCl given is, substituting the values we will get 0.989 gram of NaCl is given, divided by mass of AgCl has been given as 2.42 gram. And now the equivalent weight of sodium, we have to determine the equivalent weight of sodium, plus equivalent weight of chlorine has been given as 35.5, divided by equivalent weight of silver has been given as 108, and equivalent weight of chlorine is again 35.5. Now let's solve this. That is 0.989 divided by 2.42 is equal to Na plus 35.5 divided by 0.585314 and 143.5. Now you cross multiply, and on cross multiplying you will get the equivalent weight of sodium as 22.9. If you cross multiply, you will get like this: 2.42 Na plus 2.42 into 35.5 is equal to 143.5 into 0.989. Now on sorting out this, you will get the sodium equivalent weight. I have already solved it out, and it comes out to be 22.9. Okay, so this is the method of determining the equivalent weight of a compound, or an element in a compound based on double decomposition method, provided the weight of one of the at least reactant and products are given and the equivalent weights of the other species are given, except the one which we have to find it out.